It's not that I don't want to be obnoxiously loud anymore, but I do want a nice tone to the Stang. It's not going to be as deep as like an H-pipe, but right now it's just loud, raspy, annoying. It's just blah, just loud, all up in your face. Just downshifting all over the place. But once we add these resonators back on the car, it's going to sound so much better. BBK long tube headers, BBK X-pipe, and then just Roush axlebacks. Still full exhaust, but adding the resonators is definitely going to quiet it down. So right now, this is going to be the last cold start on Miranda with the resonator delete, because after this, no more obnoxiously loud. So we're behind this Walmart right now. I'm about to give you guys some really good revs, and then we're gonna get out of here. Hey, Buzz, you trying?
What's up?
You got me?
I got you, bro.
Alright guys, let me take care of this real quick, and then I'll get back to you in a bit. I got my headers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's what I get for being low. Alright guys, they said they're gonna be done in about 40 minutes, so we're just gonna go for a little ride.
Sounds good though, dude.
It sounds good. Hey, when I started it up, it was quiet. Well, that's good. We don't want an obnoxious, raspy.
Yeah.
Hey,
Gotcha.
thanks, man.
Hey, appreciate it.
The real test is a first gear pull right out of this lot.
Let's get it.
Right out this lot.
That felt good, dude. That was good. I liked it. I liked it. Yeah.
That's how Mustang should sound.
Yeah, that was nice.
Okay, that's good.
I liked it. I liked it. Hey, that power, dude. I like it.
You wanna go straight?
Yeah, straight. Go all the way to the
I like
freeway.
that. Dude, I never thought I would go back to like being like a normal, you know. I never thought I would go back to like sounding normal.
Yeah.
And not just
Bro, but
raspy and annoying.
oh, dude.
Here we go. Fat rib right here.
Let's get it. That was good. That was good. Where's Andreas? That foot way back there.
Should sound like.
Yeah. Yeah, you got him.
I mean, it's still loud because I don't have
Yeah.
a seat.
What's up?
We just go straight into make a right.
Right, yeah.
Okay, I left you guys hanging yesterday. I now have resonators back on the car. We're gonna do a cold start. It's gonna be quiet, not loud anymore, which is a good thing. I'm sure all my neighbors really appreciate that. I mean, it's still pretty loud, but now it's definitely not so obnoxious. So. Below 2K, it's just really quiet, and I actually like it. See? By the way, you hear everything inside this car now that I don't have back seats and everything's out of the trunk. Everything rattles. Just letting you guys know. But this right here, the no back seats thing, it doesn't bother me at all. Like all the noise and stuff, I don't really care anymore. I'm telling you guys, this car feels like my project car now, and this is gonna be my daily. Even when I boost it, like I'm gonna daily this car until it blows up. I'm not gonna do any pulls. I am just going to drive normally so you guys can hear the exhaust. I'm gonna park the car and then give you guys some revs so we can do a comparison of with the resonator delete and then, you know, with the resonators on. So above 3K is when it really starts to get loud, just because I have headers. Alright, let me give you guys some downshifts. How about that? No pulls. Moran's gonna take a break today. I like it, man. I'm sure you guys do too. I know you guys like it. Let me downshift it first. Alright guys, I'm going to give you some good revs with the new setup. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'll do a little comparison of a before and after. Let's see how she sounds like. I'm going to start at like 2K, then I'm going to go 3K, then I'm going to go 4K, then I'm going to just rev the piss out. Alright guys, I'm just going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. You should have been here a very long time ago. I'm very happy with how the car sounds like. I should have done this like a couple weeks ago, but it's all good. The next thing is a short throw shifter. I already bought it. We're going to install it tomorrow. It's a Barton short throw shifter with a 2-post bracket. So no more missing gears. Well, hopefully, crossing my fingers. But yeah guys, oh also before I forget, this weekend, this Saturday, I will be in Dallas the whole day, because first I'm going to be at the LMR Cruising. So if you're planning on going to the LMR Cruising, come to the LMR Cruising, because I'm about to be there with the homies. Come say what's up, come see Miranda, come make fun of me about the new Fender. Don't even matter, man, just come say what's up. It's going to be a good time, and I'm going to just stay the rest of the day in Dallas, because that night, that Saturday night, you best believe I'm about to go to the Mexico action over there in Dallas. Because, you know, the Dallas people think they're faster than the Houston people, so, you know, they did a little call-out thing, so we're about to head up there and have some fun, man. So this Saturday, LMR Cruising and just messing around in Dallas, so stay tuned for that. Short throw shifter install, and yeah, man. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, look, kids walking home from school. Hey. I remember walking home from school. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Resonator's back on. Doesn't sound so ricey no more. Alright, peace out.